Good afternoon. Today we'll be looking at finding identity or neutral element of a binary operation. Finding the identity slash neutral elements in bracket E of a binary operation. So we want to look at how to find the identity or neutral element of a binary operation. So to find the identity element, let's take this. We say for identity or neutral elements, in bracket E, comma, the following should be noted. The following should be noted. Number one, for P asterisk Q, P asterisk identity element equals to P. Number two, for X asterisk Y, S operation identity equals to X. Number three, for M asterisk N, comma, M asterisk E equals to M. M asterisk E equals to M. M asterisk E equals to M. So we are going to take some examples on the binary operation involving identity elements. So we are going to take our examples. Number one, a binary operation is defined over theta as P theta Q equals to 2P plus Q. Find the identity or neutral elements. Find the identity or neutral elements. So two, a binary operation is defined over asterisk as M asterisk N, M over N plus 1. Find the identity or neutral elements in bracket E. So we are going to look at these two examples. So for the first one, we have solutions. So we have P theta Q equals to 2P plus Q. So for identity elements, comma, so the first element operation identity equals to the first element. So we have P theta E equals to what? P. So we are going to substitute. So for P theta E, so we have for P theta E will be equals to 2P plus E. So this P operation Q. So we now say therefore 2P plus E equals to P. So collect like terms. E equals to P minus 2P. So E equals to minus P. Therefore, the identity element identity element E is equals to minus P. So the identity element. So we have for P operation E, P asterisk E equals to P remain P, then Q is E, 2P plus E. 2P plus E, so which is P operation E equals to P, so 2P plus E equals to P. So collect like terms, we are looking for E equals to P minus 2P, so E equals to what? Minus P. So the identity element is minus P. So for number 2, we have M asterisk N equals to M over N plus 1. So here we have M asterisk E equals to M. So for M asterisk E, here is M and here is N. So here become M over E plus 1. Therefore, M over E plus 1 equals to M. So put over 1 here. Let's take SM. Here will be E. There will be M plus E equals to M over 1. Cross multiply. So we have M plus E equals to ME. Collect like terms. So collect like terms. So here will be M equals to ME minus E. So M, so you factorize E to M minus 1. So E is now equals to M over M minus 1. So therefore, the identity element E equals to M over M minus 1. Thank you very much for this video.